Come, let us see a community seed fair. This annual community seed fair celebrates the bounty of the local natural resources, including the traditional seeds and its diversities. Koya Adivasi community in Malkangiri of Odisha is organizing this annual seed fair since the year 2007. The Mother Nature is central to all of the celebrations of the Adivasi clans. For all festivals, the Mother Nature is worshipped in one form or the other. However, this annual seed fair is more of a celebration to inform the world about their roots and rich resource base. Named after the local traditional seeds, this fair celebrates the diversity of local farm seeds along with the wild food sources of the area. The community mobilizes the local resources to organize and decorate the fair site. The families in the villages, their groups, and cluster level farm organizations take complete responsibility of organizing these annual community seed fairs. Young men and women prepare the venue using local materials, cook and serve food to thousands during the fair. The small family farmers host the visiting guests in their homes. The Adivasi community in Malkangiri brings in dignity to the priceless treasure of local natural resources through this fair. Community seed fairs brings together hundreds of Adivasi farmers to spread their knowledge and practices using the local traditional seeds. The farmers come to the fair to exchange seed varieties with other farmers. The local Adivasi farm organization asserts their community belief on the traditional farming systems and feels that the local seeds carry the capacity to feed the families in the villages. This annual fair of the local farm organizations legitimize their efforts on sustaining local agricultural systems based food productions. Farmers from the neighborhood and from outside the district come to participate in the fair to share the knowledge on the traditional farming wisdom and exchange of traditional seeds. scores of seed mothers from across the villages bring traditional seeds in decorated earthen pots for display at the fair. Aromatic paddy, short duration paddy, millets, beans, pulses, vegetables, and tuber varieties get displayed at the fair in the diversity of colors. Elder women farmers scrutinize the seed samples gathered at the fair place. The seasoned eyes of these women help locate the quality seed traits of different seeds families. The volunteers cluster the seed samples at the fair site and help Adivasi women scrutinize them to locate the kind of seed they want to take home after the exchange. In February and March 2015, 3 and 2 community seed fairs were organized by 7 local farm organizations in Malkangiri and Kandamal respectively. The seed mothers displayed the rich diversity of the seeds and abundance of natural resources available in the locality. Hundreds of farm women, led by the seed mothers, demonstrated the richness of the biodiversity by displaying samples of various seeds, diversity of uncultivated foods, and their relationship with the local forests. Annual seed fair enables peer learning among the farmers as it enables alliance building with other farm organizations in the region to source seeds and imbibe values of local agriculture systems. The farm organization used the occasion to sensitize the mainstream society about the richness and diversity of the Adivasi crops and the value-based recipes. Farmers discuss on the aspects of traditional seed conservation, exchange of seeds, and recognize the good work of seed mothers. Moreover, farmers with innovative low-cost sustainable farming methods get awarded on this occasion. The wide array of community knowledge on seed storage gets further strengthened with display of various methods of seed storage. Seed mothers continue to learn from outside farmers on new appropriate methods and then transfer to other households of the village. Seed mothers steer the new learning on in situ conservation of water and soil nutrients through crop seasons in the discussions during the fair. They also organize theme-based stalls on this occasion. The issues related to land preparation, seed treatment, weed control, management of long dry spells, flash rain, and pest management form part of the debate on cropland strategies. Practice models are created at the fair site on the aspect of in-situ water conservation, biorepellents, nutrition garden, polybed vermin units, soil fertility improvement, pest and disease management, and vegetable cultivation, etc. Traditional livelihood models like mixed crop, ghorabadi, composting livestock, and integrating farming systems are displayed and discussed on this occasion. The seed mothers to organize food stalls on this occasion. The women cook and display various recipes using the seasonal food sources around the habitation. This effort aims at asserting the traditional food identity of the Adivasi clan. The women serve food to all and engage men in the discussion around cultivated and uncultivated food sources. The seed mothers prepare millet-based food recipes, spearhead the nutrition value of the local crops during these fairs. The seed mothers organize theme stalls on uncultivated food naturally grown in the area, dry foods, non-timber forest produces, providing utility items as well as income to the families, traditional agro implements, medicines from the forests, fish varieties, livestock, and many more during the fairs. Farmers from other districts such as Koraput, Navrangpur, Bolangir, Kandhamal, Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj, Raigada participated in the fair and exchanged seeds among themselves. The fair location rotates every year as new villages host fairs on their turn. Seed fair planning, mobilization of resources, and management of the seed fair agenda are entirely done by the community leaders with support from the seed mothers. The young women form a sizable number in the huge community gathering at the community seed fairs. Community resource persons, mostly young women, are now emerging as practitioners and trainers on sustainable agriculture practices.